We are the group Yes We Do Bite, and this is our reboot for the Woody's Cafe website. I'm going to be walking you through some of the use cases for the student account as well as for the menu system. So as you can see, this is our home screen. This is what you get when you click on our website. And here we have the home button, which takes us back to the screen. We have the menu button, which takes us to the menu and all of our menu items. And then we have the My Account button, which allows us to log in with our NetID. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. And as you can see, we have a simulated duo push, which we're going to approve. And that takes us back to this page. Now, if we click on My Account, we'll be able to see a welcome screen for the student account that's logged in. It shows the meal swipes, retail swipes, as well as a reward system we set up where you can redeem points with the number of purchases that you make for different items. For example, redeem 10 points for free coffee. And here you're also going to be able to see your past orders, which will accumulate once you start making orders. Now I'm going to be walking you through the menu. Here is our menu. It's split up into breakfast and lunch, and within those we have different categories of items. When we click on any of the categories, it takes us to that part of the screen. And of course, we can also scroll through. And if we wanted to purchase one of the items, let's say the pork, bacon, and egg cheese sandwich, we can click into the page. And here we have the individual item page for this menu item. And here we're going to have to choose several options for customization, such as the bread, cheese, whether we want extra cheese. If we don't, we can click no extra cheese. But if we do, we can click whatever cheese option we like, and that will update the price. Extra meat, if we want extra meat, that goes to $9.75, but if we don't, it goes back down to $7.50. So yeah, we can continue making customizations like this. If we want a drink, same thing, no drinks and no price added. But if we do want one, the price gets added. And yeah, this is how you can choose how to make your menu item. It also gives you a picture of the menu item, a description of the menu item, as well as the calories, which is calculated using the USDA Food Data API, and the ingredients in each of the menu items. Now, we can go ahead and click add. If we want to add multiple of this item, we can. And as you can see, as we add items, it updates with the cart icon over here. So if we wanted to subtract one, it goes back to 2. So yeah, we can go ahead and add the menu item. And when we select the cart, the menu item shows up with all of the individual customizations that you made, as well as your subtotal and the quantity. And if you go back to the menu, you can see that it mentions that in your cart, there is one of this item.
In the cart, users can view a summary of each item, see the subtotal, and adjust the quantity. The total updates automatically, including text. Users also have the option to remove any item from the cart. Before continuing, the user must choose whether they want to order now or order later. If order later is selected, a time picker appears to let them choose a pickup time in 15-minute intervals. In this case, since it's currently past operating hours, no available pickup times are shown. We also made sure that users can proceed to checkout with an empty cart. They'll be prompted to add items before continuing. So now I'll remove all the items from the cart. And as you can see, the cart is empty. And it doesn't allow me to check out. So I'll go back to the menu, choose a random item. Go back to the cart. choose a payment method, and then I select continue to payment. After selecting the order time, the user continues to the payment page. Here they can enter their names, choose a payment method, and fill in their card details and phone number. This project focuses on the user interface and experience, so the payment section isn't simulated and not connected to a real payment gateway. Once order is submitted, the user is taken to a confirmation page that displays their order time, a unique order number, and a total subtotal. We also display reward points earned from the purchase, which could be used in a loyalty system in the future expansions.